Have you ever found yourself struggling with a data table that just won't cooperate? It can be really frustrating when you have a column filled with lists instead of single values. If that sounds like you, stick around because today we're going to tackle how to unlist a column in a data.table. I totally get it. Dealing with data tables can sometimes feel like trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces. You're not alone in this. Many users face similar challenges when working with data in R. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user asked, "How can I reshape my data.table when one of the columns is a list?" They provided an example where the column col.b contains vectors instead of single values. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together and find a solution. So what's the issue here? When you have a column that contains lists, it can complicate your data manipulation tasks. You want to reshape it into a long format without having to specify all other column names explicitly. Let's break this down step by step. And don't go anywhere. I've got a neat trick at the end that will make your data manipulation tasks much easier. To reshape the data.table without explicitly listing all other column names, the user can utilize the dot notation in the data.table package. This allows for a more dynamic approach. However, to avoid specifying the other columns, the user can use the setDiff function. This function helps to automatically select all columns except for the one being unlisted. This way, the user can achieve the desired long format without manually listing each column. The result will still include all relevant data. In summary, the user can streamline their data reshaping process by using the setDiff function in combination with the data.table syntax. Fun fact, did you know that the data.table package is one of the fastest ways to manipulate data in R? It's like having a turbocharger for your data analysis. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves creating a custom function called funwrap. This function allows you to unlist a specified column or multiple columns in a data table without needing to explicitly list all other column names. The funwrap function also includes safeguards against empty values and allows for handling multiple columns simultaneously. This makes it a flexible option for reshaping your data. Here's the neat trick I promised. By using the melt function, you can streamline your data manipulation process and save yourself a lot of time and effort. And there you have it. You now know how to unlist a column in a data.table and reshape your data without the hassle of specifying every column. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips. And remember to keep experimenting with your data.